700 exercise number 31. Ready? Very often it is not the book which the writer would have written had he been quite free to follow his own wishes. Full stop. The form of book provided by many writers is the book which tells a clear story, which gives a picture of a number of men and women who at the beginning of the book are in one set of conditions and who move step by step throughout the book into a different and more pleasing set of conditions. Full stop. Such a book gives the reader a sense of order. Full stop. The people in these books act and think along certain lines, and it is only in details that the stories differ. Full stop. But during recent years, the more thoughtful writers have been attempting a new form. Full stop. It is said that the course which our lives take depends upon our personal thoughts, the thoughts which, if told at all, are told only to those nearest or dearest to us. Full stop. It is in these personal thoughts that the writers are interested. Full stop. The important thing they say is to set down the life which goes on in a man's mind, not so much the thoughts which result from the day-to-day happenings, but the long line of thoughts which makes up his real life. Full stop. But both the old and the new form of book are subject to material considerations, and it is not possible for every event or every thought to be set down. Full stop. All writers have to face this question of what to use and what to leave out. Full stop. The writer of the book with a story uses those events or thoughts which help on the telling of his story. Full stop. The wish of the writer of the new form of book is to give a complete picture of the writer of the new form, the minds of the people he is telling us about. Full stop. So he makes his book or each part of his book cover only a short time and gives a complete picture of what is happening in the minds of the people during that time. Full stop. This new form is not always pleasing to readers used only to the old form, as there are no clear steps in the story told and there is nothing final at the end of the book. Full stop. But while a reader may find pleasure in reading a book which shows for the 100th time that two and two make four, it is doubtful